What's up, people? Getting it in. About ready to fire this whole blue thing up, man. We finally got pretty much everything. Been a long journey. Got everything together. Charging up the battery now. The battery is all the way dead. It's been sitting up. But got my fuel pump wire right here coming from the electric fuel pump. Got gas up there in the filter, good clean gas. So I have to route this hose around the alternator. I need to go get some clamps for it. A few more little things, but for the most part, I'm about ready to give it a test fire. Let me see. Okay, we got a little gas in the carburetor. I think I should have that timing kind of close. Let's see. See a vacuum line that I left open. Let me plug that off right quick because it's a main vacuum. Alright, got that plugged off. For the most part, I think we about ready, y'all. Let's do the first crank up. Let's see what she do. Yeah, we full of oil. Okay, just making sure. Let's see, y'all. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. You want a fire? Let me see. Might have to mess with this distributor a little bit. I know the timing ain't perfect right now. Uh-oh. Okay. Gotta mess with that timing a little bit. Let me see what that do. Okay. I already see what I need to do. I need to advance. So let me see. I need to, I'm gonna have to move my spark plug wires around so I can advance that timing a little bit more. And that's about it. First crank up. Okay. Let me see. Oh yeah. We gonna be alright. Yeah, that timing ain't I need to see where I got it set. It's already hidden right here. So I'm gonna have to re-stab it. Well, no, not re-stab it. I'm gonna just have to move my spark plug wires around. So that means I need to put. I'll figure it out. But so far, first crank. Sound alright. Really can't tell because the exhaust not on there, but I don't see no bunch of smoke. That's pretty cool. So yep, I'll tune back in. I'm gonna play with this distributor, get the timing right, get it fired up. All right, I moved the wires around one notch, brought them around so that'll give me more distributor to play with. So I just did the wires. I ain't even moved the distributor yet. So let's see how she crank up now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, all right, all right. Okay. Okay. We in there. We in there, y'all. Looking good. Gotta play around with it a little bit more, tighten up some little odds and ends. And we'll be sending this boy to the exhaust. Alright.